Hello everyone, my name is Claudia and this is the sixth tutorial video for the subject Flexible Digital Urban Modeling. Now we are going to explore how to glue some elements to a surface. It is a very easy tool but very useful as well, so if you have regular shape or an irregular shape, you can stick these shapes to your surface no matter which shape has your terrain. So to learn this, we are going to a new file, 3D Max. First we are going to create a plane to do a terrain. So in modifying, I will give to this 200 per 200 meters, and I'm going to reduce the segments because this is too dense. Maybe just 50 is enough. So now I will apply a noise modifier. If you already have your terrain in your project, you can use that one. In this case, I'm going to create a new one just using noise because it's easy. So we are going to give here a sort of movement to our surface. So now this is the surface. So this could be a hill in a countryside area. And now I'm going to draw in the top view some buildings to be glued in this surface. So we are going to create, in this case I'm going to splines and rectangle. So I'm going to create a sort of blocks in this area. So this is the first rectangle, and what is useful in this case to create regular buildings or regular blocks next to this shape, it's to do a multi-clone. So we click on move and then we push shift and we move the rectangle. So the distance of this copy will be the distance between the several copies that we are doing now. So I'm creating a copy, and how many copies? Maybe 10. Okay, so here you have your rectangles. So now I'm going to selection list. I'm going to select all the rectangles. Okay, and I'm going to copy again. So in this row of shapes. So I'm going to click shift and move, and then I decide the distance again, and I will give 7 number of copies. Select all the rectangles. Okay, and we are going to apply a modifier, extrude. So now these rectangles are becoming in a shape, a box. So we are going to give here the amount of extrude 10 meters. Okay, so now to this, I will move this a little bit down the map just to have clear these things. So now the purpose is to glue these boxes to the surface. So to do that is important first to download from internet the script glue. So in this website of Script Spot, you can search for scripted glue, and here scripted glue, and then this is the plugin. So you can download from here. So going back to your model, so now I'm going to Max Script, run script. So here we have to find our script. So here is the script glue open, and this is the window that you have in your computer. So we are going to select our rectangles without the plane, and we are going to pick up base object. Here it's the plane 001, and here you have different options: surf align, glean, glue, spin line nodes, or mesh vertices, but for the moment I'm just going to do glue. So what is happening here is all the elements that are in the area of the surface are going to be glued in your surface. So this could be, with a little more job, this could be a very good way how to do houses in a hill, or maybe walks in a irregular surface.